Hello everyone, how are you all? Today I thought to share my ideas and my thoughts with you about why it is important to give early guidance and why it is important early schooling is necessary for your kid and my kid. So we all know that they are still developing emotionally and socially. So before that, I would like to give you introduction about myself. I am a mom having 3 kids. I have 3 boy babies. So I know that the hard work that you do as a mom or a dad or as a carer or a teacher, right? So we know that little kids has no experience, no life experience, and they have not developed their language skills, and they need our guidance all the time. So guiding them is necessary, that I think, because they haven't developed any social or emotional development. So what is your idea? Because I think that proper guidance, positive guidance is needed, because then I think that they are going to trust the relationship with mom, with the kid, and with the dad, or the relations will build up in a positive way, and then they will feel this is a safe environment to live, and this is a peaceful environment. So they will develop healthily, right, parents? What do you think? Actually, parenting is something, a rewarding thing. I know that it is challenging if you are a homestay mom or a working parent. It is difficult. You have to work you have to go to work early in the morning and then come and taking care of kids and doing everything for kids, washing their clothes, wash them, feeding them. It's difficult, but we have to do that. That's the nature. And also the childs are different. Every child and every family is different, and our parenting styles and the attitudes are different. So whatever our family backgrounds are, we have to show them the right path, the positive path, so they will understanding that all their relationships are very lovely and they get loved by all the surrounding environment. And also, if we talk about how do you tell something to your kid. So whenever you are going to do something, let's say that you are going to go to the shop or a school, your child needs to go to school. Let's say that your child needs to go to tomorrow, he needs to go to the school tomorrow, but you have to tell him in advance, tomorrow you have to go to school, before suddenly waking up in him and now you need to go to the school. So without telling him, so he might get frustrated. So he knows that because you have told him in the last night, so he know that when he wake up, oh, I have to go to school, like that. And you can build your relationship with your child whenever you have time. Spend a happy time together. So actually we know that our adult life is very difficult because we are working hard, we have to do a lot of hard things, but child do not know that. So he is a very soft, cute, and a lovely baby. He don't know that. They are very sensitive, but they know, they identify your emotional behavior. If you are angry, they identify it. If you are sad, they identify that. Right, parent? So being always happy, that cannot be done. I know that cannot be done, but you can say that I'm now angry, please don't talk with me, let me give some time to relax. Like that you can tell your kids, and you can joke with your kids. If you have a rough day, you can actually go for a walk, put some music and have a rest. So that will forget all your rough things in the day. So, and also playing with kids and guiding is also difficult because they don't listen whatever we tell always. So when you're guiding your kids, just don't tell that what not to do. Always tell what to do, right? Such as put your crayons in the box and put the paper into the drawer. Without telling him that don't do a mess with those crayons, like that. So that will, I think that helps you to build up a positive relationship with your kid, with the surrounding environment, with the relations. So the early guidance and encouragement and making them happy is necessary, as well as then you also will be happy as a family. So those are the things that I think about this nurturing your kids and having a happy family life. And what do you think about? Tell me your ideas, whatever you think. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you think these ideas are valuable, please subscribe, and whenever I put a new video you can watch that. Thanks all.